Good afternoon, everybody. This is a 40,000 mile review of the BF Goodrich G-Force Comp 2 tire. I've had this on my 2015 Honda Fit. I just want to tell everybody to start out, it's been phenomenal performance throughout the entire lifespan of these tires. Totally changed the handling and ride of my car for the better over the Firestone FR 740s, I think, were the OEM tire. I pulled them off at 25,000 miles because the handling, the performance, the wet traction was so poor. These tires are, an understatement would be phenomenal. So I want to show you what happens at about, this happened at probably about 37,000 miles on the tire. You could see some on the left, this is the left front tire. You could see some cracking along the tread line. This is the only tire that has that. This is also the tire that sits in the sun a lot, and my car does sit in the sun outside, parked a lot on the streets. So just wanted to give you an idea of that. But as you can see, at 40,000 miles, there is still a good enough tread to go at least 45,000 miles, which is what the spec on the tire is. I may pull these off soon. If you're going to take a long out-of-town car ride with a tire like that, I probably want to have a new tire on it. But if you're not, you probably can get another 5,000 miles out of these tires easily. And that's the left rear tire. And I'm going to go around. And this is the right rear tire. Again, what you're going to see on the tire at this age is some dry rubber. That's to be expected. I also want to tell you that I've had these tires up on the highway at unmentionable speeds. The handling is, again, phenomenal. This is the right front tire at 40,000 miles. And I just wanted to show you how much tread is left on that tire. I've rotated my tires about every 9,000 miles or so. It's always good to do that. If you let it go a little longer, you're probably fine, but definitely rotate your tires. Just want to show you some of that dry rubber that I got at this point. Again, you could keep driving on these tires locally, but if you're planning a big road trip, at this point I would feel like you want to remove these tires, take them off. So if you have a Honda Fit and you want to really improve the ride, I wholeheartedly recommend the BF Goodrich G-Force Comp 2 all season. I'm not getting paid for this. I researched these tires 40,000 miles ago because my car was just performing so poorly with the Firestones that came on it that I needed to get a better tire. So anyway, have a good day, everybody. Thanks for tuning in.